Greetings, welcome to Middle Tennessee. You just tuned in to Famo Garage, and this is for the Weekend Warrior.
Welcome back, Warriors. It's been a minute, but yep, I'm back to do a little more stuff on the X, and a couple of things have happened, and I'm going to be doing a little bit better stuff. All right, so these are all things that I'm doing right now, just upgrades. Nothing that was like crucial, but just upgrades. All right, I got myself a light bar that goes across the full car. Yeah, I like that. Magnets and whatnot. Yeah, had some more fun things, but what we're gonna be working on is the headlights of the X right now. I have upgraded to the HIDs, so I'm changing the traditional H7 high beams to a upgraded LED. I'm gonna do that, and the fog lights also, they'll be changed to I think an H4 LED, just so the whole front is nice and bright. Lights are on when needed, and I will be taking the film that I put on previously, because I have a new heat gun, so I'll be able to do that and do it properly. So I'll be doing that. So first thing we're going to do is start on the lights. I've already kind of set it up, so I will show you what I got set up, and then we will go from there. Okay, so as you can see, I've already taken the bulb out. It will be in here, right in here, and you just unplug it, just straight pull back plug. Alright, I've already unplugged it and have it right here. This is the old one, and let me get the new one. Alright, so this is what I'm going to go with. It's supposed to be 600% brighter and 50,000 hours and 6,500. Okay, cool. White. So super bright LEDs. Yeah. Let's see what they got. Yeah. They got some weight to them. It's got a fan inside, so that'll help it stay cool. So now I gotta get this in here. And it's just like it is when you take it out. And then you give it a push. You gotta make sure it's straight up and down. So, as you can see, that is it installed. Alright, wait a second. Take your cap. Slide it in over here. Push in and pull your clip back over. That's that. And you have just did the high beam side for your headlights. Alright, so those are the HIDs. And now the LEDs. Well, I don't know if you can see the difference, but you can clearly see that side from this side, clearly. And makes this even brighter. But yeah, new, and this one looks a little dim anyway. can't really see it, but they'll be changed later down the line. And they do have a tint on them, so. But with the new ones, that's super bright. That is bright. So I will be able to see down the road. And I'll upgrade those bulbs. But let's get to the other side. All right, so I got my light bar in here, and this side will be a lot easier because this just comes out. Oh, it's full. I forgot. I filled these fluids up. So I gotta move this. Okay, got it out finally. All right, so get your new one, and you remember that it has to go in just where you took it out. So it's gonna go in like this. The oval end goes up. Okay, get that in. Okay. Alright, let's give them a test before we get all happy. After a little fiddling, you got to make sure that these notches get right in there, because if they won't, it won't sit properly, and if it won't sit properly, then your lights will be off. But now they're doing what they're supposed to. So let me turn this off before I die of carbon monoxide. But show you real quick. That's what the fog lights look like right now. We're gonna change that. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is pop this bad boy off. You got a Phillips right there. These also have a fan in them. As you can see, this one has 6, 12, 18, 24, 25 to 6. It's got a lot of bulbs. Alright. And they only go in one way. That's that. Alright. We'll get this back in here. Oh, that might be an issue. Because it's not going in. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, well, barely. Oh, there we go. I got all underexcited for nothing. Just gotta just wiggle it in a little bit, and then it goes in. Alright, so there you go. You can see that. Hopefully I won't get totally in your way. Okay. There you go. All right, here we go. Let's see the difference. Yeah, those are the LEDs, and those are those. So yeah, what I plan to do is code the high beams and the fog lights to be on at the same time. So that'll be something later down the line. But there you go. And then when you hit your high beams, yeah, the battery's getting low. The battery's getting low. That's why the lights are so dim. Pop off. You can magnify. You have to. Done. And then you'll see it flush. Once it's flush, you're done. So, lights, done. So, The headlights are done. Fog lights are done. I just have to change the HID bulbs. I have to order those, and once they get in, then I'll change those. As I said before, I'm going to change this film on here. I'm going to change that and get it a lot better. I mean, this was okay, but this is my first time, and as you can see, there's bubbles and things like that. And that is because I didn't have my heat gun. I have a new heat gun now, so it's going to be better. Promise. And I'm still debating on doing angel eyes to this. I'm really wanting to. I think it'll look a lot better with angel eyes, even though it has the HIDs and now the LEDs. Yeah, LEDs over here, HID here. And I think the angel eye would look really nice here and here. So I will find out and see what happens. But until then, yeah. Let's go to the back, and we're going to start on the back. We're going to go ahead and start to prep it so we can tint it, and then we're going to do that. And I was thinking about tinting the fog lights, but they look tinted already, and they're kind of small, so I'm not going to mess with them. So let's get to the back. First, just get some water. Just clean the area for my alcohol. We have a winner. We'll just cut that off because we don't need that. And my knife is gone. I'm just going to scribe this very lightly on the vehicle, very lightly. Back, like so. Get your line together. All right. See stuff like this, don't get too bent out of shape just yet, right? Because remember, this is all flat, so you shouldn't, and you can tell the difference. Sorry, got it kind of peeled up here. I'm gonna go about right there. I'll show you why in a second. Now I want to get that out of my way. I want to go just right along. Right along. Through it. And then it's so I can have something to pull off. Do it just above it. This one we need to go kind of wide. You want to get close to this light fixture over here, and the reason being all of my excess off. clean the side off first, and we'll let a fresh sheet here. Again, let's find which is which first before we start trying to. So we'll put it on like this. This comes off at the end, and the bottom sheet will come off. You hold it down and you pull out. Real simple. And don't be stingy to yourself. Goody. All right. This is going to be a big piece, so you want to try to not mess this up. Luckily, this piece that we're using is going to fit all over this, and our sticky piece doesn't have to stay too sticky. And that is because we are going to heat it so it can form here. So what I need to do right now is make sure that this is done correctly, or it will mess up and I will be messed up. Remember, just above it. Imperfections show up. Still looks good overall. Most of the time bored. Don't want to do yard work. So what do? Right, doing stuff to it, like making it look good. So if the car's filthy, then you gotta wash it. Ta-da! Done. Okay. I've already wiped this down with water. Now I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol. I've already peeled the side to see that this front side right here is no sticky. It's no sticky. It's no sticky. Sorry, it's late. I'm tired. But it's no sticky. So we know that the other side, this side back here, is the sticky side. We just gotta get this peeled off. Peel back your front area. The area that you're going to start with. You want to peel that back. Just right. Now, the good thing about this is we're not really worried about if it's like bubbly or anything like that, because it's up here and you're really not gonna even see it, you know. So, no worries. All right, I got it done. It doesn't look bad. You can even tell. All that's done. Yeah, I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and weekend warriors. This is it, man. It's coming along. I like it. I like it. That one's done. Looks black like that. And then that one also. And then that. Yeah. All the lights are done. So, okay. Until the next episode, I guess. Or until the next thing I do. Let's say that. So, until then, like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. See you next time.